Northern Legacy on Northern Life is brought to you by Dahlberg Law.
Welcome back, folks. It is time for our last installment of this very interesting and very informative segment that we've been having here. We are at Dahlberg Law Office with Chris Dahlberg. Thank you again. Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
A beautiful area that you have here. This is where all the magic happens,
That's right. That's correct.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay, and a beautiful view. This is my first time in this office, and you can see the Irvin, you can see Lake Superior.
Yeah, and I'm blessed there, Hunter. I mean, my job is I sit here all day. I get to talk to people.
Yeah.
I get to drink coffee, and I get to look out the window. So it can't be too bad.
No, it doesn't get really much better than that,
yeah.
honestly. You're in a nice high area here as well, and got to meet a ton of people around here as well. NASCAR Nicole,
Right.
because she loves NASCAR.
She's crazy about it.
She is.
She's obsessed, and it's an addiction.
Yep.
And then she's also into the Duluth Huskies.
Oh, sure.
Duluth Superior Huskies, and so she's got season tickets. So
Okay.
yeah, she's always there.
Right
Yeah.
away, she got me a water, she got the coffee,
Yeah.
she got everything going.
We want people to be comfortable
Yes.
because that's the whole idea. We sit for about an hour and we just talk.
Yep, that's fantastic. And so you talk about the low bar. You've joked about this before in previous segments about the low bar it takes to get in here. And you don't have to necessarily have all of your documents in order when you come in here initially.
That's correct. And I talk about the low bar. We've talked about you have to have a warm body
Yes.
temperature. It's kind of a joke.
Yep.
But I try to have a little levity because obviously death is a serious business. But I also bring to the fact that we're not getting out of this alive.
Yep.
So
Seriously.
I mean, this is a short run. And so, it gets to the point to people, then they can realize, okay, we all are in this, we have to do this, and then I just help them.
Since I'm here, we're in the office, we're going to play the part here. Why don't you walk me through, pretend I'm a client,
Yeah.
and just exactly what would happen if I was a client coming in here hoping to plan my estate
Sure.
out?
When the clients come in, it's usually about an hour, and I say with the low bar, I say come in with a warm body temperature. If you own a house or a cabin or something, bring in like the tax statement. That's good to start. But really, then when we get going, there's two questions. There's what do you got and where does it go? Or sometimes we call it the players. And so, because we can't take it with us when we go, as some people think they can, but then we list what are all your assets. Do you have a cabin? Do you have retirement accounts? All this. So often with my parent clients, it's going to be their children. Sometimes I'll have a couple, married couple, many years, they never had children. That's a different situation. Sometimes I have single couples. Sometimes I'll have a widow or widower. They lost somebody. Everybody's situation's different. And then that's what I have to go through with that. And then based on that at the end, there's really two paths you can go. You can either go with a basic will or a trust. And we've joked about it, but I call a trust governing from the grave. But what I mean is, you are setting the roadmap after your death with some specific plans. And there might be like the family cabin, I want to do it this way or that. With the basic will, it's just kind of like, here you go, kids, it's yours, you figure it out. And always at the end of the hour, I give them a recommendation whether to go with a trust or will based on if I was sitting in the client's shoes.
It just seems like such an easy process, very laid back, but very informative as well. And it's just, like you mentioned, everybody needs to start considering this no matter what age. I never thought about this in my life, but just talking with you in these past 6 segments, I've learned so much about what all this means and how important it is.
People come in and they go, oh, I should have brought all my tax statements, or I should have brought all my retirement accounts. I said, don't worry about it. I'm concerned about the ballpark. We'll work about the other stuff later. So it is easy.
Chris, we sure appreciate you hanging out with us these past few segments.
It's been fun.
Yes, it really has been. Amen to that. So.
I think I'm a celebrity just like you now. I mean, people are saying they see you on with Hunter and they say, I love Hunter.
It's official. You're on the team with us now. We'll have you on every time.
Okay.
So, Chris, thank you very much.
Thank you much.
Definitely.
Yeah.
We'll be right back after the break.